So is that an open hive right there?
Huh?
Is that an open hive right there?
No, that was just the old stuff.
That's an old one.
Yeah.
What about these ones? There's a lot on here. Where do they come?
Because I replaced the bottom.
Oh, that bottom's new. Oh yeah, that's the part you bought in Amish country.
Long.
Still doesn't fit. So that's supposed to be for just the bee pollen?
Yeah.
That's a bee pollen receptacle.
Ooh.
Oh, they're starting to come in there now.
It's not fitting the right way.
No. Is that thing's supposed to close completely? You think maybe if you did it with that beehive, since it has a different bottom? This bottom has a little different structure. I think that bottom might be too much wood over there.
Yes. Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, I would try it on this beehive. You can't do it on this one? Get some smoke in there first, though. Well, yeah, get some smoke in there, man. Before you start busting in there. Smoke them out. You want me to blow some more smoke in there or no? I think if we put too much, they get upset.
Right here. All right. Okay.
You want me to put some more smoke on there? Oh, bee touched me.
This one's much better.
Yeah, I told you. It's all about that bottom. That bottom over there was a little too big. Too much stuff. That's perfect. Should I smoke them out more or are they good? We're done there.
We're done.
Nice. Some more back there too. There's some little chickens. Man, they got big. Wow. Last time I checked on them, they were half this size. Hey, little chickens. Chicken. What's up, guys? Yeah, they got big. Wow.